Hi, this is Oluwat Hosna Diogo. Today I bring to you one of the most auspicious, magnificent residential facilities in Nigeria that boast of upscale contemporary living, characterized with unrivaled grandeur and a mix of excellence. Right in the heart of global Ikoyi, Lagos, I present to you the ultimate lifestyle. Is a 9-floor contemporary luxury condominium, and each contains 4-bedroom apartments with 2-room BQs, which are en suites. Now seated on 350 square meter each, that's approximately 3,767 square feet. And each of these units comes with open-plan main lounge and dining, and likewise with the central air conditioner system from Daikin. And Daikin as a Japanese product for nice and quality air conditioning, and it also comes with European sanitary wares and fittings. And the rooms comes with fully Google automation, which consists of your sound, it consists of light, the AC, the TV, and curtain controls, making it a fully smart home. A fully fitted kitchen with meal appliances, which includes laundry with washing machine and dryer. And meal appliances are German products. These are high-end products, very quality products that you find in your kitchen. For instance, you have your gas cooker, you have your all kind of electronics that you have in your kitchens are meal appliances. These are only products you find in luxury homes, like high-end products. For those who are seeking for quality products, it's highly recommended, and this is what you get in this property. And amazingly, the property comes with professional facility managers that ensure that you have a good lifestyle. You have everything that you need at the comfort of your stay, especially if you're living in this place. For instance, you have uninterrupted 24 hours security, and you also have 24 hours electricity. You also have a contemporary style concierge. We have high-speed elevator. These are things that makes your living experience really good and amazing. And the most impeccable thing about this property, what I like the most, in fact, what I heard and I'm like, oh, that's a check and that is a plus, is that this property has a resident-only restaurant, just strictly for the residents. And it also comes with a year-round buffet. Now that's the breakfast buffet, and every morning you can just go down to the restaurant and have a breakfast. This comes with it. This is not something you see every day. And also for room for networking, you have a 24-seater fully surround cinema with fully reclined tall green leather chairs. Now this is for residents to always come to the cinema, just watch a nice movie, football, what's going on, network, bond. Amazing thing. Also with an infinite swimming pool, very massive swimming pool for lifestyle. It has a gymnasium, it has a game room for table tennis, snooker pool, a lot more amazing things that you get in this beautiful, amazing 4-bedroom condominium. And I know for a fact that what exactly is in your mind is how much is this property. Now this 4-bedroom condominium is in the market for $1 million. Yes, while the Penthouse is in the market for $3.5 million. Amazing. And this property is quick, fast developing, means it's going to be completed very soon, and it's almost sold out. So you do not want to miss out on this price before it goes up, before you come and you can't get the price as at the price that you're hiring right now. So key into this project, you can make an initial deposit and spread your balance. And it has a lot of incredible feat of architecture that is very close to just a stone throw to all these amazing places like the Ikoyi golf course. You have the Laswa boat, the hotel and suites, the Ikoyi link bridge. Amazing place. And for those who are coming to Nigeria, it's just like about 38 minutes drive to the Murtala Mohammed Airport. 1Million to hold a place when life is fulfilling. How about you call me on that number shown right there on the screen, or you can send me a WhatsApp message, but I will always be there to respond to you. I'll remain your respect informant over what goes on at the Ogon. Always bringing you amazing deals like this. If you're new to my page, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell so you do not miss out on any other property update. It's a great honor to bring this amazing property to you, and it's a great honor to have you watch this video. I hope you stick around because I love to see you on our next talk. Thank you.